Hi, it's Lee from colouringqueen.net, and today I want to show you Paradise of Animals. Now, this beautiful book was originally produced as a Japanese edition of a colouring book. It's got the same cover on it, but the text is slightly different. Now, these two brothers that created this colouring book are extremely well known in Japan. Their work is produced in galleries. It's also reproduced on bags and antlers and you name it. They're even on men's underwear. Their artwork is everywhere. And it's because it's very distinctive. It's got a really vibrant style that I haven't really seen before. And at first I wasn't too keen on the book, and then of course I've fallen in love with it. And I just love the way that this vibrant style of colouring makes you rethink how things should be coloured in and challenges your sort of perceptions about colouring and the way things should look. And I really like that, and I think their artwork is just fantastic. So the book is only quite small. It's about 25 by 23 centimetres, I think, for memory. And the images are produced on both sides of the white paper. Some images have pre-printed backgrounds with some line art for you to colour in, which may restrict your colour palette a little bit. Now, the line art too is dark grey, and it's quite a fine line. Now, if you're visually impaired, this may be difficult for you to see. Some of the images do have larger amounts of space though, so if you are visually impaired, at least you're lucky to have those large open space areas. They'll make things easier to colour in. Now, I think they're doing the dark grey outline so that you get a more painterly type effect with your finished artwork. So I just remind you of what the cover looks like, and you can see there's no black outlines in between it, and I think it's to get this sort of painterly effect that they're doing the dark grey. Now, some of the images I think could have been positioned a little better so that we don't have so much white space on one side. There's only a few pages that are sort of affected by that positioning problem. Now, most of the images have a lot of detail and background or background elements. Now, the paper is white and medium quality. There are some illustrations that go across both pages, but the majority of illustrations are contained on the one page. So that's Paradise of Animals. Until next time, happy colouring.